So today we've got a fantastic day arranged at Neatham Estate, beautiful estate, and they put on a superb simulated game day. 5 Squire vehicles out today. It adds to the day, it makes it even more special. My earliest memories of shooting was when my father brought home a 2.2 air rifle and we were shooting bean cans off the wall. So I must have been about, realistically, 6 or 7 years old. So that's when the bug started. Professional shooters, live on camera, and he won't miss.
Yeah, this morning's gone really, really well actually. Hit a few, which is a bonus. So I wasn't expecting that, even though I had the wrong chokes in for the first drive. So I still managed to get a few. I'm really fussy. I have an element of OCD in virtually everything I do, and an element of perfection. And that was one of the reasons for going to Squire, really, because I looked at other companies and I wanted to very much collaborate and discuss and design. And Tom was absolutely brilliant at that. I'm in the shooting industry. We make hearing protection, and I go to virtually every ground around the country, and having somewhere secure to keep guns is vital for me. Having somewhere comfortable to travel in is vital. The touches that Squire have added have just enhanced everything that Land Rover did with the Defender, in my opinion. So it's made a huge difference to my daily life and work life, really. The one detail I would pick out, and this is my favourite, has got to be the gun drawer. The flexibility this gives me with the interchangeable foams, the customisation, the personalisation, the fact that the foams are laser cut to match my guns. The level of flexibility where I can have 4 guns if I want to, 2 guns, 1 gun, a hospitality suite, cartridges. I can mix and match depending on the day. So yeah, lots of nice touches, which makes it unique. It's really just a combination of lots of little touches which Squire are really good at.
Oh! Oh, shot, first time.
It's been great being part of the Squire community. Tom rescued my car from a car that had been spent a lot of time off-road and generally been quite abused in its early years. I first sent it to Squire because it also needed some work on the bonnet because a horse had eaten it. So at that point, when it went to have the bonnet done, I said, let's get on. So no, it went from looking like a very scruffy Discovery to coming out looking like a very nice Discovery, and I fell back in love with it. The Squire team are lovely to work with. They're also doing another project for us as a family. They've got our Series 2 Land Rover in. They've done a total rebuild on, which we're very excited to get back. That's been a family vehicle for many years, but was certainly off the road when it went into Squire.
Shot, Jimbo. Hot shot. He peaked. Having a great day, banter's flowing, and let's be real, we're very, very lucky to be shooting here. Neatham Estate is a glorious estate, and encourage anyone who's certainly getting into the sport to be doing these sorts of days. But it's certainly a good starter for people coming into the sport. Game days can be horrifically expensive, and let's be real, not everybody wants a shoot game. If you're doing it in a traditional manner, the sort of the field to plate side, it's certainly there's key points to it. There's certainly huge heritage to it as well. So if you're just in for a bit of clay busting, certainly a great day simulated as game. So you get your 11s, you get your breakfast bats first and foremost, your coffees, your teas, and then your lunch afterwards. And Matt puts on a great day here, so certainly would encourage anybody that wants to get into it to contact Matt and the team to have a good day out.
Yeah, we've been on a fantastic simulated game shoot today with a lot of my friends and colleagues, using my lovely Squire draw system and handing out all the drinks to my friends, which has been good fun. Personally, for me, I used to be quite shy mixing with other groups, but it's almost like a talking point. It opens up the conversation. Everyone starts chatting, oh, this is great. And I think that's what's changed my life as well. It's made my outside entertainment in this sport much more interesting and enjoyable. And the people I shoot with all compliment the system, all would love to have one. They think, crikey, you've put that in a Porsche. It's not in a normal Range Rover like everybody's got, but personally I like to be a bit different, and it works, and I think that's the beauty of it, and it does catch a lot of people's attention. So that's the beauty of, I think, Squire, what they offer to me, and because I've had my personal input, so this is my idea of design for the tray. I asked for it, they built it, so I think that's what I like about it and the way they've come forward.
We've had a fantastic day, shot 4,500 clays over 5 drives, and I think everyone's had good fun. Yeah, we've just been showing off a few of the Squire draw systems that are available in the vehicles. Perfect for a day out in the field. Just adds an extra element of enjoyment to the day, a bit of wow factor. It's full of cider and beer and champagne and guns and cigars and beautiful glassware in the field with chilled fizz. It's always fun to open the back of the car, get the drawer out, people and people are like, wow, what's that? Well, everyone likes to show off a bit, don't they? And this gives that little bit of showing off factor.
So it's been an absolutely fabulous day, a lovely bunch of people, and the weather couldn't have got better. I'd like to say a massive thank you to Matt Ashton, who's the host of today at Neatham Estates, Zander for organising the day, because it's like herding cats, as I said in there. It's a difficult task. The Feel Good Film crew, always with us, so a big thank you to them, and everybody who attended today. There has been 21 people here today, been very much part of a community, which is what we really, really thrive on. When you're buying a vehicle, you're not just buying a vehicle, it's all about a lifestyle. For us to be out today in the field, seeing these 6 vehicles out, really is something special. So a big thank you very much to everybody, and we'll look forward to seeing you very soon.